I'm okay working on the paper. We know there's a chicken here.
Oh yes, that's definitely not rotten.
We know there's a chicken here. It's probably dead. If they need help out, they usually die anyway after they hatch. I did want to just give this one a chance. If it was still alive in there, to come out. Die. Outside the egg or possibly live. So there it is.
Buddy. Are those its guts? Ooh!
It doesn't really look fully developed, but it's hard to tell because when they're wet, they're totally matted down. They don't look anything like a chick. But this, if I'm not mistaken, is that the leftovers of the yolk, or is that like guts of the chicken outside, which means it's malformed? I think that's the insides of it hanging out. I think it's not totally formed appropriately. So it's a little bit graphic, but that's what it looks like. Pretty sure this chicken wasn't fully formed. When you look at his feet, they're not.
Well, maybe it wasn't formed right. Like, some things don't get formed right and then they die.
Yeah, there's something wrong with it. If you look at his feet too, they don't look like chicken feet. They're all folded up and like tight.